Ladies and gentlemen, oh my face is... Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a new video. I even forgot my intro. Ladies and gentlemen, non-binary people, welcome to a new video. From the look as well, my face is fucking red. From the look of this, okay. Mom used to put this on. I can't even look at my face. From looking at the title, today we're going to do the 90s, 20s makeup. I put in a poll, if you don't know, I put in a poll in my Instagram deciding what I should be doing. And what is it was a tie between romantic girls and 90s, 20s. So like I did another poll, but it was useless anyways. So like I decided I'll just do 90s, 20s. Which is a bad idea. If this does not work, I'm not publishing this video. The biggest problem with this is that I need to do my eyebrows. I need to like hide them with makeup and then trace them. I don't have an eyebrow pencil. Let's start with our, what the usual we do. It's going. It's not sold here. It's like, if this ends, I'm ending as well. No, ending my career. Also, it's been a while. I was supposed to... Excuse me. I don't know how to... They put glue or something. I don't want to put glue in my face, to be fair. I'm not joking with you. I do not want to glue. So I'm putting Vaseline instead. I don't even know if it's going to work. Now we're gonna apply this foundation that has lived for years. Now that's what I'm talking about. Oh, I don't think this is going to be well. Did this change anything? No, obviously. This is not going as well as it's supposed to be. Also, does this even work? Can I look like a clown? If the eyebrows don't work, I'm gonna leave them as they are. I'm not dealing with this. I'm not shaving my eyebrows for this stupid video. By doing this type of makeup, I realize day by day how small my fucking eyelashes are. Why did I decide to do this? I could just slide and did romantic girls. Like, it's easier. It is not. This one has focus on the eyebrows. The other one has focus on the freaking eyeshadow. Eyeliner. Fucking gone. If this doesn't work, it's not my fault. It is not my fault. I'm just going to draw eyeliner out. Oh shit. just ignore the rest of the eyes. This is not working. It's not working, honey. Enough eyeshadow. Actually, they only did this makeup for people who were in TV. Yeah, TV. Actresses and such. Models and such. Because normal people didn't fucking wear this. Obviously. Next, I'm just gonna stay like this. I don't think that's solved anything. Just because I'm blind, I can't see the difference. Whose idea was this? Mine. Fucking mine. I'm gonna use this crazy. There's like brown up to my here. Also, I'm going to school next week. I know. Should be crying. Do not fucking want to go to school. Fuck school. I feel like someone just fucking hit me in the eye rather than... I seriously look like someone just hit me in the eye. I look like I have a birthmark. This is driving me. Is this a good idea? No. I feel like I'm doing something racist, which I should not be doing. This is not going on YouTube. Nah. Maybe. Oh, I dropped my phone. Almost. This is not looking good. I look like I'm playing with makeup. I'm giving girl failure. I'm giving so much failure, it's bad. Neighborhood auntie, the freaking salon lady, they look like this. They do makeup like this, and I'm doing it as well. I don't know if you can see, but like I traced it. I'm actually no. Oh. Did this even work? Are we, is it just the lighting? No, I had to say, told you something. It's good enough. I don't know. Okay, now the heart, let me remove this mess. So I have no hope in my hair, as much as I didn't have hope in anything else. No, this is not. I knew it was not going to work. Okay, wait. I don't even know what is this. Did they even have hair like this? Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna wear something like this. There's so much mist here, but like this. Because they have some familiar stuff like this. I can't raise my eyebrow by elbows. I didn't shake. You can hear it. I'm sweating buckets. I hope my hair is not removed. It is already. You know what happened? I accidentally dropped something. I found those. I don't know. I don't think they're gonna look good, but I'm just gonna use them. Anyways. Again. Okay, thank you for watching this. Thank you for watching this video. I'm gonna upload photos soon. I don't know what you think about this shit. I tried my best. I don't even know if it looks good. I'm not wearing my glasses, so I have no idea if this looks good, but yeah, posing. They had some hair accessories. I don't have hair accessories. Whatever I added. Yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I didn't. But yeah, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.